All right, guys. I just had a knee manipulation. It didn't take long. What time is it? What, 10 to 9?
10:08.
Oh, 10 to 8. And they didn't take me back till what? About
7:30.
7:30? So we're doing good. It's a little sore. And they said it'll be sore. And then they're going to give me steroids and some pain pills. Give me a Sprite. They say when they knock you out like that, it's just like having a colonoscopy, so it's not like you're out completely. So I'll let you know if I can walk when we leave. Ooh, guys, it's a little sore. Like Tanya Harding took a ball bat to me on the knee. If you guys are my age or so, you know who Tanya Harding is. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. She said I should be able to walk right out of here. So they're going to keep me for 30 minutes or so in here. And it doesn't look any different because all they did was just go in and bend to me. The scar looks great though. The doctor did excellent. Straight scar.
I thought it would swell way up after
Well,
they
she
did
said
it.
it will swell. I'll have to put some ice on it when I get home. Stop by the pharmacy, get some meds. Gonna have to be on some strong steroids for 2 weeks. And some pain pills. So we'll get home and we'll do a little video maybe when I stand up and try to walk. Oh, trying to put my shoes on now. And 2 tablets.
All right, guys, she is home. She's writing down when she needs to take her meds on the calendar.
Yeah, steroids. You got to step down, so you got to make sure 3 days, 2 days. And as far as pain, it hurts worse now than it did when I actually had the surgery. And I know they traumatized that knee for right now, but they gave me some pain meds, some Flexerils. I'm going to rest it for a little bit, and then hopefully I can do some exercises tonight with it. So guys, MUA, manual manipulation under anesthesia this morning. It took us 4 hours. We had to be there at 6, and it's almost 10 now, but we stopped and got prescriptions. So if you have any questions about what they did or any questions about it and you have to have it done, leave a comment below and I'll get back with you.
And she walks worse now than she did when she went in this morning.
Yeah, because it's really on fire right now. But it'll calm down. I have faith in it.
Hopefully she'll be able to bend it later.
Yeah.
Keep her in prayers, guys.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.